fear begins to spread faster than the storm itself.
Where? Hold on.
The ground is shaking. Stay with me, Grandma.
My house is cracking apart.
Happy baby.
Don't be panic. Everyone, move outside. Grandma, go first. Listen, the blood will hit us. Everyone must attend to it now. Stay together. No one spirit.
The storm grows fierce. The river breaks its banks. The fight for survival begins. Children, hold on, stay with me. Yes, please. Grandma, lean on me. We'll go step by step. My legs, I can. Don't give up, Grandma. You'll make it. You'll make it, Grandma.
My farm, my animals, everything down. Forget the farm. We must serve or live.
My baby is weak. We must get her to safety quickly.
Teacher Alice, help me lift her. Adam, lift her the boat. Yes sir, you want to lift her behind.
The people clung to each other, fighting every step. It's too strong. I'm afraid, miss. Don't be panic. We're afraid.
Hold the rope, don't let go.
One boat is gone.
Stay calm. We still have another. Come on, everyone, get on the boat. Hurry up. Is there anything left? No, everyone is already on the boat. Okay, let's move in. Look there. The train will hit us. That's not bad, I can handle that. Good job, Adam.
Help! The baby is ready.
Please, help her.
She must reach the higher ground.
Push the boat. Yes, sir. Everyone, together. Don't lose hope.
Heart begins to grow.
Primare, everyone is safe here.
Children, you are so brave. Are you scared? But we survive. We survive together. The earth shook us, but it didn't break us.
My farm is gone, but my family alive. That's enough. Our home might fall, but we keep our spirit.